Hello there, this is Rupesh and you're watching CBBNet video series on C++ interview questions. And in this question we'll be learning about how to call same base class function from derived class object. Okay, so I want to create the object of this class but call this function, not this function. Okay, let's see what do I want. And from D we want to call that function, and I want to call base function, not the derived function. So if you will compile this, you will see that it is compiling and running and the output is derived. But I want base. How would you do that? The one and very famous way is to use scope resolution operator. Okay, so here you are calling function on derived object D. So this is obviously going to call this one, okay, because this is static binding and compile time it will bind to this function only. Okay, it is not going to bind to this function, and this is also a static binding. Remember, dynamic binding happens only when we use virtual keyword. Okay, so this is also a static binding, and this time we are explicitly telling that the function should be from base. Okay, so that's how this will call your base function. See, first it is calling derived and then it is calling base. Okay, so this was the very accurate way of doing this. But what are all those other ways of doing the same thing? You can typecast this derived class into base class and you can call that function. Okay, like this: base b is equal to static cast base, and here is your derived. Okay, if you would compile b dot fun, this is going to call base function C. Okay, not the derived function. And this is also a static binding. It binds at compile time. B is of type base function, base, that's why it is calling base function. Okay, but doing this will make the object slicing, so the derived part from D would get sliced off and the only B part would remain inside this. Okay, so if you want to typecast this back into the derived class, you won't be able to do that. Okay, so in order to achieve that, you have to use the pointer. Okay, so if you are typecasting D, this one, into base pointer, then you can do that. I mean, the upcast is allowed. Okay, so if you would do something like this, now compile. See, it is doing the same thing. Now you can typecast this base into derived again. Okay, I mean to say this derived d1 is equal to static cast derived pointer b. Okay, and d1 would hold exact this one. See, so this is possible. I mean, this downcast is possible after this upcast because we are doing this with pointers. Okay, if you are not doing with this, I mean the converting into the pointer, if you are converting into the object itself, then the object slicing will come into the picture and you won't be able to cast this B back to the derived. Okay, let's look at the next question now.